Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're going to figure out just how many times you can reuse a K-Cup. So I'm fairly new to the K-Cup world, and I just want to know what the truth of this is. Can you reuse it? If so, how many times? Can you visually see a difference? Can you smell the difference? And most importantly, can you taste the difference? Today we're going to be using Starbucks French Roast Coffee. We're going to brew 4 cups of coffee, 8 ounces each. Have a look at the color. Then we're going to do a blind taste test. I'm going to put 4 cups of coffee on this little carousel, spin it around, and do a taste test. Let's get started. Alright, to start off with, let's give this a visual inspection for color to see if we can tell the difference. On the bottom of each of these glasses is a number, so I'm going to put this down here on the carousel and just spin it around so that I don't know what is what. Now after this, we're going to get it on the nose, get some notes on that. But first, let's see if we can tell on the color. So let's see if we can visually tell what this one is here. So this guy, okay, that's definitely on the darker side. That is so dark. So let me grab one more and see. Okay, so this one's on the lighter side. So what I'm going to do is just put these down and look down and see what, because obviously there's a difference there. This is going to be like 3 or 4. This is going to be either 1 or 2. Okay, so let me just put this down. That'll be the lighter one. Okay, now I can grab this other dark one here. So if I grab these 2 dark ones and I hold them up to the light, okay, I don't know if you guys can see a color difference, but when I hold it right up to the light and see which one, ooh, this is really close. I would have to say this one would be number 1. Let me see if you guys can see that. And this one would be number 2. All right, let's see if I got that right. Yep, that's 1 and that's 2. Okay, that's obvious. Now, so here are the lighter ones, and yeah, I would say that this would be 3. That would be 3, and this would be 4. All right, so I'm back on the turntable here, just mixing these up, so I can't tell what's what. Let's grab the first one here and go on smell. Okay, this is one of the darker ones. Okay, this smells watery. I'll just come out and say, even though this is dark, it doesn't have the explosiveness that a fresh cup should have. So let me grab the other dark one. Yeah, see, that's got to be 1. That's got to be 1, and then that's got to be 2, right? Is that 2? I don't know if you saw that. 1 and 2. 1. Yep, that's 1 and 2. So a definite smell difference between 1 and 2. And let's get the 2 lighter ones. Almost no smell. It just smells like almost flavored water, with like 99.9 of it being, actually it's just water with food coloring at this point. I still have smokiness in this one though. This one, very, very faint smokiness. So I would say that this would be 3 and this would be 4. Whoop. Ah. Yep, that's 3 and that's 4. Let's get on to the taste test. Alright, on to the most important test, the taste test. Same thing, and got some stickers on the bottom here. Going to put them on this carousel and just spin them around. Maybe for 5 seconds. Let's go 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,004, 1,005. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. I'm going to try to grab this guy right here. Ooh, kind of hot. Hang on. Where is the handle? There's a handle. Okay. Here is number 1. I'm going to try not to look down in the glass here, the mug. Oh, okay. That's very flavorful. Ooh, still a little hot. And it's hard to not, because you basically smell, you taste what you're going to smell. And in the last test, we saw how obvious it was. And I think this might be number 1. Oh, maybe not. There's a little bit of water watery bitterness in this one. It's a little watered down, I think. If this is either 1 or 2, so I'm gonna put this over here. Ooh, it's very watery. It almost tastes like tea. So I'm gonna put the watery ones to my right. Grab this one over here. Ah, this is number 1. I'm gonna just tip this over enough to. Crap. Hang on. It's hot. It's hot. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is that number 1? Yeah, this is number 1. So that makes this number 2. Yep, that's number 2. And let's see if we can get these lighter ones in here. So we got. Okay, so this is either 3 or 4. I've already tasted this one. Oh my God. Okay, this is 3. Oh, I can't even tip it over. Yeah, this is 3 and this is 4. Awesome. All right, let's have a look at these next to each other here. And as far as color goes, don't look at the actual glass itself. Look at the actual color down here on the table. And you can see just how clear of a difference it is color-wise. You can physically see it. It's not even close. And as far as aroma goes, there is a steep drop-off between each of these. Here, 100% strength. The smell is strong smoke, very rich, very dark. Here, it's almost watery. I would say that it went from 100 maybe down to almost maybe 30 or 20%. This would be maybe 10%, maybe 5% there. So these 3 really didn't have any smell. And as far as taste goes, again, you pretty much are going to be able to taste what you smell. And nice, rich, dark baker's chocolate smell here. And then almost no taste here, almost down to nothing. And these 2 were practically 0. Well, alright guys, there you go. I think the results are pretty clear. Well, at least to me, 100% the answer is no, you cannot reuse a K-Cup. Now you gotta figure, if a beginning coffee drinker like me can tell the distinct differences between those 4 8-ounce cups of coffee, a more experienced drinker just would be totally grossed out. And imagine if you did 10, 12, or even 16 ounces from one K-Cup. That would be disastrous. Well, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.